how to add a text box to your GoDaddy website. Alright, so we want to click on our name in the top right corner, go to my products, then here we will go into websites plus marketing, find your current website and plan and click on manage. Now what we want to do is we want to get access to the website builder here, so from the site click on edit website, and it's very stupid actually, but what we have to do is add a new section, click on add section, and here we actually have to search for about. Okay, about, and you can choose one of these designs. I'll do this first one. I'll add it. You can't directly add a text box, but after we have added this, we can left click here on the image and we can just delete the image, and we are left with a text box. We can repeat the same process for all of these. If you need to get rid of a text box, you can delete the group right like so, and it's going to delete the whole text group. And again, I'm just going to delete this current image, delete group, and now I'm left with just one text box which I can edit here. Now it's very silly, it's very, well, not great, but that's how we do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.